What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today is Thursday, February 11th. I've got a thrift haul to show you guys, and this is also going to be a what sold video. As usual, I'm going to share with you guys 10 items that I sold last week, all different clothing brands, some really good brands to keep an eye out for. So we'll start off with the thrift haul, then we'll hop over to the computer and I'll show you what I sold last week. So I hit 2 thrift stores today. I found 30 shirts and this trolling motor foot pedal. The brand is Minn Kota. It's a pretty decent shape. Paid $5 for it, and one actually just sold recently for 120 bucks plus shipping, so that was a really great find. One of the thrift stores I stopped at today I've never been to before, but my buddy Steve over at the YouTube channel Pick and Roll turned me onto it because they have dollar clothing. So I met him over there today and I found some really cool stuff. First up is this brand new with tags Brooks Brothers button down long sleeve shirt, size XL non-iron. Next is a brand I normally don't pick up when they're pre-owned, but this one was also new with tags, and this is Jamaica Jacks. It's a 100% silk Hawaiian shirt. Another brand I don't normally pick up, but in this case it was 100% pure cashmere. The brand is Allen Flusser, I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. It is a quarter zip long sleeve. Anything 100% cashmere sells pretty well. Next is a long sleeve polo Tommy Bahama silk blend. Then we have a vintage Tommy Bahama Hawaiian shirt, 100% silk. An older style Columbia PFG vented long sleeve shirt. Then we have a women's ex officio button front shirt. Usually these will say women's on the bottom here, but if you're unfamiliar with how to tell the difference, normally when you're looking at a women's and a men's shirt, the women's shirt will have the button on the right and a men's shirt will have the button on the left side. So that's just one way to tell if you are unfamiliar. And then next we have this Tommy Hilfiger denim long sleeve vintage with the crest logo there. Then we have a Fastenable button front, a Peter Millar short sleeve shirt, just a regular fit Tommy Hilfiger button down. We have a Fastenable short sleeve polo with the logo there, so that should help this sell a little bit faster. Polo Ralph Lauren Pima Soft Touch polo, just a regular Polo Ralph Lauren polo. This one was pretty cool, newer style tag, Polo Ralph Lauren with like a denim collar, and it has a embroidered couple flags and it says Polo Ralph Lauren USA there. We have a LL Bean men's wrinkle resistant button down shirt. Then another good brand that is Untuck It. It's a long sleeve size large. Then here's a brand I don't normally pick up, but this one was 100% linen and it was also $1, Abercrombie and Fitch. Then we have a vintage Tommy Bahama 100% cotton polo. And here we have a Robert Talbot long sleeve, a Polo Ralph Lauren classic fit, another Ralph Lauren classic fit, good size 2XLT tall. Another Fastenable vintage label with the logo on the front there. Then a Brooks Brothers 346 polo with the sheep logo. Another Fastenable button down, size small. Tommy Hilfiger button down with the logo. Another good brand, Ralph Lauren RLX size small polo. There's actually 2 of them. This one is an Amen corner. It has the Masters logo on the front there. And then finally a Ralph Lauren Blake long sleeve button down. So these sales are going to be from January 31st to February 6th, and in total I had 52 sales for $1,227.46. First up, we have this pair of new with tags 7 for All Mankind jeans. Great brand to keep an eye out for. Some styles do a little bit better than others. You can see the MSRP on these were 248 bucks. I paid about $6 for these. They took about 4 months to sell and they sold for $108 with $8 shipping, and after fees and shipping I made about $90. The next, this is one of my favorite brands to resell. It is Ralph Lauren. This is a 2XB long sleeve button down shirt. Paid about $2.50 for this. Took about 3 months to sell and it sold for $27 with $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about 22 bucks. And here we have a pair of Florsheim Imperial tassel loafers. These were brand new. Paid $5 for them. They took about 4 months to sell, and I took a best offer of $33 plus $9.99 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about 25 bucks. Next up is another one of my favorite brands to resell. These are vintage Trafalgar suspenders. Generally, you're going to find these in thrift stores for about $1 or $2, and most of the time they will have a tag that says Trafalgar that hangs off the center piece here, but if they don't, just look on the little metal clip here. It'll say Trafalgar across both of them. Generally, the ones with more intricate patterns sell for more. I kind of priced this high at 30 bucks or best offer, and I ended up taking a best offer of $20 plus $4.95 shipping, and after fees and shipping, I made about 17 bucks. And here we have a vintage Nautica polo. This is a men's size, large, tall, really heavy cotton shirt. Was really cool. It did have the Nautica logo, and it said US of A Nautica on the front, and on the back it had a large embroidered flag with the Nautica logo in it. I paid about $3.50 for it. Took about 3 months to sell, and it sold for $18 plus $8 shipping, and after fees and shipping, I made about 12 bucks. This next brand is one I find quite often. This is Ermenegildo Zegna. This is a button front long sleeve shirt. I paid about 4 bucks for it. Took about a month and a half to sell, and I took a best offer of $25 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about 16 bucks. And this next brand is one I like to sell quite often. I find a lot of these here where I live in South Florida. This is a Tommy Bahama Hawaiian shirt with the big embroidery on the back. It says of Dyson Men. I paid about 4 bucks for this. I took a best offer of $28.25, so $10 off my sale price with $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $21. And this next brand is something I don't find too often, but they do sell well when I do find them. The brand is Cinch. This is a slim fit pearl snap long sleeve shirt. Paid about 4 bucks for this. Took about 2 months to sell, and I took a best offer of $20 plus $4.95 shipping. And next up we have this Vineyard Vines classic fit tucker shirt. This is a men's size small. Paid about 4 bucks for it. Took 2 months to sell, and it sold for $22.50 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about 17 bucks. And finally, a really good brand to keep an eye out for, Rain Spooner, sells well in pretty much any pattern. Some of the more rare ones can go for more money, so definitely look them up when you find them. This is a women's size small, paid 4 bucks for it, took about 2 months to sell, and it sold for $29.75 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about 23 bucks. So that will do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.